Yes, most people fail in trading. Around 85 to 90%, in some cases up to 95% of people are losing money in the financial markets. And this is just sad. This is not because of the market, but because they don't have a system. Emotional entries and impulsive decisions lead to inconsistent results. In this video, I'll show you how to use the signaler, how to activate the free trial of the bot, and how to use it on TradingView. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing the signaler, one of the most advanced AI-driven trading indicators with over 1,500 members already. It's an indicator that has been featured in many famous magazines like Digital Journal and OpenPR, and its features are AI-powered trading signals, real-time and smart alerts. Reviewing their website, I can see they offer a lot of results. And the results are based on ICT concepts, high risk to reward, and a great win rate of up to 85%. Here you can see a lot of the profits that their customers are making with the indicator. And you can plan the indicator based on your needs. You can use the signaler for funded accounts with an average 3 to 5% monthly and a 10 to 20% on live accounts, focusing on stable and sustainable growth rather than high risk and high reward tactics. Something very attractive is that they also offer a 7 days free trial, which you can get access to by clicking the link down in the description. So you can test the indicator without even committing to it. And they have great testimonials from their customers. Another interesting thing is their Telegram community with over 20,000 subscribers, where you get access to daily notifications for every new setup that appears with the indicator. If you feel that you're lacking leads, you feel that you don't have people to speak about your business, your product or services, and you are stuck, then the sponsor of today's video is coming here with a solution for you. Leads Sniper is doing scraping of information and leads for a lot of years for a lot of marketers and business owners, and it can help you start having quality leads to talk to, and not just talk to, but also quality leads that you can convert to your products or services. They have a Google Maps scraper, they have a Google search scraper, they also have a Yellow Pages scraper and domain email extractor. If you want to learn more information about Leads Sniper and start having sales for your business, just click the link down in the description to learn more information. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let me show you how to get access in the 7 days trial. You click the button Start Free Trial. It will load you on this page. Put your email and your TradingView username. If you don't have a TradingView account, just create an account today. It's free. And then add the username you've chosen on your TradingView account here. On coupon, you add any coupon if you have. You can find a coupon down in the description, and then just click 7 day free trial. After you create your signaler account, you will get an invite to their script of the bot. You come to your TradingView, and on the top left side, find the icon which says Indicators, Metrics and Strategies. Click on it, and here you will see on the left side my scripts, invite only, purchase, technicals, fundamentals, etc. Go on invite only and click on the signaler.com and click on the signaler.com. Once you click on it, you will see it loaded right here, and it will look like this. Now, how does the indicator work? It's very easy to use. Periodically, it will give you up arrows for potential buys and down arrows for potential sells. In order to make the indicator as effective as possible, let's use heikin ashi candles. So what you do is come on the left side again. Instead of indicators, you go on the candles, you will see a lot of options. Probably for you is gonna be these candles chosen, but I want you to scroll down and find heikin ashi. When you find heikin ashi, your chart will transform on this type of candlesticks. On time frame, you can choose whatever time frame you want based on the frequency you want these setups to appear. For instance, hourly time frame gives more often ideas than daily. Now, how does it look like? I'm right now on 1 hour time frame. The indicator analyzes you the market. It will let you know where you have a demand, where you have a supply, where there's a strong entry, a break of structure, a change of character, everything. And when there is an actual opportunity like this right now, actually, we have an opportunity to take, you will see the entry, stop loss, and the take profits. And all you do is can take your position the moment the idea appears. The stop loss is going to be up here, and you will see the first target is a 1-1, second target a 1-2, third target a 1-3. And the great thing about this is you can also combine it with your knowledge. So if you're bearish, for example, on Bitcoin right now, you get this extra confirmation from the indicator, so you have higher probability setups. A great thing to get alerted whenever a new opportunity comes is you click on the arrow, right click on it, add alert on the signaler, make sure you have once per bar, and click create. That way, every new arrow, either to the downside or to the upside that appears, you will get notified on your iPhone, MacBook, iPad, or whatever you use, and you have the TradingView on. And then all you do is you follow the instructions. And for additional confirmations, so you don't miss any opportunity, by joining their Telegram channel, you will be able to see when there is a new opportunity and updates on opportunities you are already in. So maybe you're focusing, for example, on your Bitcoin. Here you will get notified when there is in other markets, because as we said, the signaler works on forex, crypto, indices. So you don't need to miss any opportunity. Just be in their Telegram channel, make sure you have notifications on, and you will get notified both from the TradingView and the Telegram when an opportunity arises. Stop trading without the system. Trade with confirmations and not speculation. Start your 7-day free trial with the signaler today. You have nothing to lose, and test it out. Experience structured trading, trade smart, and stay disciplined. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel, and leave in the comments any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.